Laundry. Noun. A laundering, a washing. Laundry. Noun. A place or room where laundering is done, including, by extension, other forms of laundering than clothes washing. Laundry. Noun. That which needs to be, is being, or has been laundered. You've left your dirty laundry all over the house. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.